Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your language on the Pinterest app on your PC with the latest update. Whether you want to browse Pinterest in a different language or just prefer to use the app in your native tongue, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to do just that. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look down at the bottom left corner. You'll see a little gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open the settings menu. Next, from the list of options that appear, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage your account preferences. In the Settings menu, find and click on Account Management. This is where you'll find options related to your account details, including language preferences. Now, within Account Management, scroll down until you see the Language section. You will find a drop-down menu next to it. Click on the arrow to open the list of available languages. Pinterest offers a wide range of languages, so you should be able to find the one you want. Choose your preferred language from the list by clicking on it. After selecting your new language, don't forget to hit the Save button to apply the changes. The page will reload, and Pinterest will now display all menus, buttons, and text in your chosen language. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Pinterest language settings on your PC. If you ever want to switch languages again, just follow these same easy steps. Enjoy exploring Pinterest in the language that suits you best, and thanks for watching.